Hey everyone, welcome back to Car Release TV. If you're looking for a luxury sedan that stands out from the crowd, the 2025 Volvo S90 might just be the perfect choice. It offers the space of a full-size sedan at a price more in line with mid-size competitors. But, does it live up to expectations? Let's find out. For 2025, Volvo has made some key updates to the S90. One big change? The plug-in hybrid model has dropped the Recharge label and is now called the T8 all-wheel drive. Plus, the top-tier trim is now named Ultra instead of Ultimate. Pricing and trims. The 2025 Volvo S90 starts at $59,495 and can go up to $72,395, depending on trim level and options. If you're looking for the best value, the T8 plug-in hybrid is the way to go. It delivers significantly more power than the V6 mild hybrid while also offering better fuel efficiency and an improved electric driving range. Performance and powertrain. Under the hood, the V6 mild hybrid is powered by a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine paired with a 48-volt hybrid system. While it provides decent acceleration, it's not quite as refined as the engines found in some of its rivals. On the other hand, the T8 plug-in hybrid offers a smoother and quicker experience, thanks to its electric motor. However, the gasoline engine can still produce some harsh noise under acceleration. When it comes to ride quality, the handling is stable, but the suspension could be better. It transmits road imperfections into the cabin more than some competitors, and while the steering is well weighted, it lacks the precision expected in a high-end luxury sedan. Acceleration and performance. V6 mild hybrid, 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.4 seconds. Previous T8 plug-in hybrid, 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.x seconds. The new T8 model is expected to be just as quick, if not quicker. So, is the 2025 Volvo S90 the right luxury sedan for you? It offers great space, impressive hybrid options, and a premium feel, but with some quirks in ride comfort and refinement. What do you think? Let us know in the comments.